Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your videos on your iPhone. There are two different ways to do this depending on the type of file you're working with. If you've already recorded a video using your iPhone's slow mode feature, it's easy to speed it up in the Photos app. Simply select the video you want to speed up and tap Edit in the top right hand corner to begin. Then towards the bottom of the screen there is a tall white vertical bar. Drag these bars together to completely remove the slow-mo effect from the video. Once there are no more big gaps between the white bars, the video has been sped up and you can tap Done. However, if your video has been recorded at normal speed, the best way is to increase the speed is by uploading it to iMovie. To do this, go to the Projects page in iMovie and tap on the plus sign to start a new movie. Then a new project pop-up window will appear. Tap Movie, scroll through and tap the movie that you want to speed up, and then tap Create Movie at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the footage in the timeline. A yellow rectangle will appear around the footage. The video editing tool will appear at the bottom. Tap the speed editing icon in the lower left of the screen and drag the slider to the right towards the rabbit to speed up the video. Let's speed it up by 2 times its normal speed. Once you've dragged the slider to the desired speed, tap Done in the upper left hand corner of the screen. Finally, hit the share button at the bottom of the screen and choose how you want to save the completed video. And that's it. Now you've sped up a video on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.